three numbers x, y, z are selected from the set of the first seven natural numbers such that x is greater than 2y is greater than 3z. How many such distinct triplets of x, y, z are possible? UPSC CSET 2024. This question was asked. We have four options: 1, 2, 3, and 4 triplets. See, in questions, it is clearly mentioned that we have seven first seven natural numbers, and in our yesterday class I have told you that natural numbers start with 1, then 2, then 3, and goes to n. And what is n? N is the last number. So we have seven natural numbers, that is 1, we have 2, we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, we have 5, we have 6, we have 7. So these are natural. We have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, we have 5, we have 6, we have 7. There are certain pattern to solve CSET questions. See, otherwise you will do all the questions wrong. If you will not follow the concepts deeply, then definitely you will lose your marks. You will get only minus 2.66 per question. See, this question is very deep. The question has given a statement that x is greater than twice of y, x is greater than twice of y, and twice of y is greater than thrice of z. See, I can take the value of x, y, and z from 1 to 7. The z will take its smallest value. How? If I put z equal to 1, then this is equals to 3. If I put z equal to 2, then it will become 6. And the number which is greater than 6 is 7. But we cannot make here 7, because here 2 is in the multiple and y is a natural number. When I will multiply 2 with a natural number, I will get an even number, but 7 is an odd number. So we cannot take the value of z more than 1. So z has only one value. Z has only one value, that is 1. See, we cannot take z equal to 2. If I take z equal to 2, then here it will become 6, then it will definitely be 7 or 8, but we have to take only natural numbers from up to 7. So there is only one value of z, that is 1. If this become 3, then here if I put y equal to 2, see, the number which is greater than 3 is 4, so I have to make here 4. Then the value of y is equal to 2. At y is equal to 2, I will get 4. See, if z equal to 1, y equal to 2, here it is 3, it is 4, then x can take value 5, 6, or 7. X can take 3 values. So I have triplet. How? I have triplet. I will write the triplet here. First of all, I will write x. I can have x as, if x is 5, then y equal to 2, x equal to 1. If x is equal to c, I have y equal to 2 and x equal to 1. If x is equal to 7, if x is equal to 7, if x is equal to 7, y equal to 2, then x is equal to 1. So I have three triplets. I have three triplets. What they are? First of all, I have 5, 2, 1. I have 6, 2, 1. I have 7, 2, 1. X, y, and z. See, I cannot put z rather than 1. I can put z equal to 1 only, but I can change the value of y. See, if I put z equal to 1, y equal to 2, then x is equal to 5. See here, if z equal to 1, y equal to 2, here what I get 1, 3, here 4, then 5 is greater than 4. See, a condition is there, a triplet is there. See, here I have, when I put z equal to 1, I have 3 here. When I put y equal to 2, I have 4 here, and 6 is greater than 4, so I have a triplet here. Again I have a triplet here. See, if I put y equal to 3, y equal to 3, then z equal to 1, here I get 3, 3 to just 6, the y will become 6, and I can take the value of x as 7. X as 7. See, I cannot take any other value of xy because 7 is just greater than x. If I have to take the if I have to take 8 natural numbers, then I can take 167, 168. But I have to take only 7 natural numbers. So if I put z equal to 1, here I have 3. If I put y equal to 2, see, 4 is greater than 3. So I have to make here 4. And how it will made? It will made by putting y equal to 2 here. See, if I put z equal to 1, y equal to 2, then there is 3 values of x are possible. That is 5, 6 and 7. So I have 3 triplet here. If I put y equal to 3, then here 6. 6 is also greater than 3 and 7 is greater than 6. So I have another triplet by putting z equal to 1, y equal to y equal to not 6, y equal to 2. Sorry, 3. So I have here 4 triplets. The UPSC has asked a question on a deep concept. I have 4 triplets. I have 4 triplets. So option number D will be the correct answer. Next question.